In this lecture, I will show you how to create a map visualization in Tableau. To create a map visualization, let's hover over to the map and see what's required. We need one geo field, 0 or more dimensions, and 0 or more measure. So all you need is one geo dimension to create a map. But if we do that, that's not going to be a meaningful map because we need some kind of measure to put that map in perspective. But let's go ahead and create a simple map with one geo dimension. So we're going to create a map of US because the data we have is for US Superstore, and we'll use a geo dimension of state. So find your geo dimension state. You can double click on it to launch the map. Here you have the map of US with a dots in the middle of each of these states. Now to put some perspective in this map, we will need to put a measure. The measure that we are going to use is the sum of sales. And we are going to color code each state based on the sales they had. So pick up the sales and drop it on color. Now, here you have a map of US based on the sales they had. What do these colors mean? We can simply click on the color, edit to see what kind of scale it's using. So lighter blue means lower sales and darker blue means more sales. That's an automatic selection that Tableau did. You can change this color scheme in several ways. You can either reverse the order by clicking reverse. Now darker blue becomes less sales, which is not really how people think. So we're just going to uncheck it. Rather than continuous colors, you can even use stepped color. So click on it. Now we got 5 different scales of colors. If you do not like the color scheme, you can change the color scheme by clicking here and picking the one that makes sense for you. Every business, every measure is going to be different. So pick the one that makes most sense for the business or what you're trying to show in this map. Let's go ahead and pick red, green, gold. Now we got various colors here. 5-step if you want, or uncheck it to get the continuous. I'm going to do 5-step. Click on OK. Here we have the map. Now we still don't know how many sales each of these states got, so we can add a label to each of these states with the actual value of the sales. In order to do that, by now you should know the drill. You need to put a label. And what do we need to put on the label? We need to put sales, sum of sales on the label. So go ahead and pick sales and drop it on labels. Now you have sum of sales in your labels. As well as when you hover over it, you can see they are also part of the tooltip that's created. If you want to modify the tooltip, you'll simply click on it and modify it. Go ahead and click cancel. So there it is. We just created a map of sales by state. Go ahead and rename your sheet sales by state map.